Why do those who are meant to bring light into the world often find themselves immersed in darkness? This question has puzzled many, yet it holds a profound truth about the nature of spiritual awakening and the role of lightworkers in the grand tapestry of existence. Lightworkers are often individuals who feel an intrinsic calling to bring healing, hope, and enlightenment to the world. This call to serve is a profound inner knowing, a sense that they are here for a greater purpose beyond their own personal lives. It is not merely a career choice or a hobby, but a deep-seated mission that permeates every aspect of their being. From an early age, many lightworkers experience a heightened sensitivity to the suffering of others and a strong desire to alleviate it. They may feel a compelling urge to help, heal, and uplift those around them, often sacrificing their own comfort and well-being in the process. This call to serve can manifest in various forms, such as becoming a healer, counselor, teacher, artist, or any role that contributes to the betterment of humanity. The call to serve is often accompanied by a sense of urgency and responsibility. Lightworkers may feel a persistent drive to make a positive impact, leading them to pursue paths that align with their mission. This journey is not always straightforward. It is often fraught with challenges and obstacles that test their resolve and commitment. Yet, it is through overcoming these difficulties that lightworkers grow and strengthen their abilities to serve others more effectively. Dolores Cannon's work suggests that many lightworkers have chosen this path before incarnating. They volunteer to take on significant challenges and responsibilities to accelerate their spiritual growth and to be of greater service to humanity. This perspective offers a broader understanding of the sacrifices lightworkers make, viewing their struggles as part of a larger, divinely orchestrated plan. Despite the hardships, the call to serve brings immense fulfillment and purpose. Lightworkers often find deep satisfaction in knowing that their efforts contribute to the healing and awakening of others. Their journey is one of profound transformation, both for themselves and for those they touch. By answering the call to serve, lightworkers become beacons of light in a world that deeply needs their unique gifts and insights. The path of a lightworker is often marked by intense suffering, a crucible through which they must pass to fulfill their higher purpose. This suffering, while difficult and often painful, serves as a transformative process that refines and strengthens them. It is not a punishment but a necessary preparation for the profound work they are meant to do. Suffering acts as a crucible in several ways. First, it fosters empathy and compassion. By experiencing pain and hardship firsthand, lightworkers develop a deep understanding of the suffering of others. This allows them to connect on a profound level with those they are meant to help, providing comfort and healing from a place of genuine empathy. Second, suffering breaks down the ego. It strips away illusions and superficial concerns, forcing lightworkers to confront their deepest fears and insecurities. This process of ego dissolution is crucial for their spiritual development. It helps them to see beyond the self and to understand the interconnectedness of all beings. Through this understanding, they are able to tap into a greater source of wisdom and guidance. Moreover, the challenges and obstacles faced by lightworkers serve to strengthen their resilience and resolve. Each trial they endure tests their commitment to their path and hones their abilities. This fortification is essential for the demanding nature of their work, which often involves confronting darkness and bringing light to the most difficult situations. Dolores Cannon's research suggests that many lightworkers choose their challenging paths before incarnating, understanding that these experiences are vital for their spiritual evolution. This perspective frames their suffering as a conscious, purposeful choice rather than mere misfortune. Ultimately, the crucible of suffering transforms lightworkers, preparing them to fulfill their roles with greater wisdom, strength, and compassion. It is through their own healing and overcoming of adversity that they can truly become beacons of light, guiding others through their darkest times and fostering a more enlightened and compassionate world. The journey of a lightworker necessitates a profound and often arduous process known as shadow work. This involves delving into the deepest, darkest parts of their psyche to confront unresolved emotions, fears, and traumas. Shadow work is essential for lightworkers as it allows them to fully embrace their authentic selves and harness their true power to heal and enlighten others. Shadow work begins with the recognition that everyone has a shadow, the hidden aspects of ourselves that we may deny or suppress because they are painful or uncomfortable. These can include negative beliefs, unhealed wounds, and repressed emotions. For lightworkers, these shadows often emerge as significant challenges in their lives, compelling them to address and integrate these parts of themselves. Confronting the shadow requires immense courage and honesty. Lightworkers must face their deepest fears and acknowledge the parts of themselves they may find undesirable or shameful. This process can be incredibly painful, as it often involves reliving past traumas and confronting truths that have long been avoided. However, it is through this confrontation that true healing begins. The purpose of shadow work is not to eradicate these darker aspects, but to integrate them. By accepting and understanding their shadows, lightworkers can transform these elements into sources of strength and wisdom. This integration process allows them to become whole, balanced individuals capable of holding both light and darkness within themselves. The role of Dolores Cannon, a renowned hypnotherapist and past life regressionist, played a pivotal role in bringing the concept of lightworkers to a broader audience. Her extensive work in exploring the subconscious mind and uncovering past life memories has provided profound insights into the spiritual missions and challenges faced by lightworkers. Cannon's journey into the world of hypnotherapy began in the 1960s, but it was her development of the quantum healing hypnosis technique, QHHT, that truly set her apart. Through QHHT, Cannon was able to guide individuals into the deepest levels of trance, accessing past lives and the higher self. This method revealed not only personal past life memories, but also universal truths about the nature of the soul and its journey. One of Cannon's significant contributions is her exploration of the concept of volunteer souls. According to her findings, many lightworkers are souls who have volunteered to incarnate on Earth during this time of transformation and upheaval. These souls often come from higher dimensions or different planetary systems, bringing with them advanced knowledge and a strong desire to aid in humanity's evolution. Cannon's sessions revealed that these volunteer souls choose challenging life paths to facilitate their growth and to better understand and assist humanity. They often face intense suffering and personal trials, which serve as catalysts for their spiritual development. By enduring these hardships, lightworkers gain the empathy, strength, and wisdom needed to fulfill their missions. The journey of a lightworker is inherently transformative. Through their experiences of suffering, shadow work, and service, they undergo profound personal and spiritual evolution. This transformation is not only a gift to the lightworker, but also to the world they serve. The transformation experienced by lightworkers often includes a heightened sense of purpose and clarity. As they progress on their path, they gain a deeper understanding of their mission and the unique gifts they bring to the world. This clarity helps them to navigate their challenges with greater resilience and to align their actions with their higher calling. It empowers them to become authentic and effective agents of change and healing. Moreover, the transformation of a lightworker has a ripple effect. As they heal and grow, they naturally inspire and uplift those around them. Their journey of transformation serves as a beacon of hope, showing others that it is possible to overcome adversity and to find meaning and purpose through suffering. By sharing their stories and insights, lightworkers can catalyze the transformation of others, fostering a collective awakening and healing. Dolores Cannon's work emphasizes that the transformative journey of lightworkers is part of a divine plan. Many lightworkers have chosen their paths before incarnating, understanding that their personal growth will contribute to the broader evolution of humanity. Their transformation is seen as a crucial element in the shift towards higher consciousness on Earth. The journey of a lightworker is a sacred and challenging path. It is filled with suffering, not as a curse, but as a means of transformation and service. By embracing their pain and understanding its purpose, lightworkers can fulfill their mission with grace and strength. They are the bearers of light, illuminating the way for others through the darkness, embodying the truth that even in the deepest wounds, there is a divine entry point for the light.